Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can drag files or folder to your desktop in here. So first, you can just find the file that you want to move into a desktop. For example, in here, I'm going to move the screenshot files here. So what you need to do is just select the file, and then you can just drag and drop like this. Okay, so that's how you can move. So the file will be moved into the desktop. It will do so easily. You can also just add the shortcut to the file. For example, here you can just right click in here, and then here you can click on show more options, and here you can click on send to, and there will be this option desktop, and it will automatically create the shortcut to the file. And it's also the same with folder. You can just find the folder that you want to move, and then here you can just drag and drop to the desktop. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.